We got a 2022 Chrysler Pacifica key fob here. I'm gonna show you how to open it up if you need to replace your battery. So if we look right here on the left side towards the bottom, there's a button that you're gonna press and hold down with your thumb, and you can pull out the emergency key. This emergency key opens the driver's door. Once that's off, we're gonna remove this back panel off of the key fob here. So just get yourself a flathead screwdriver. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it into one of these slots here in the corners, okay? Not the key slot, but the slot in the corner. And just give your screwdriver a twist, okay? And it'll crack it open. It's just cracked open a little bit. You can do it on this side too. Crack it open. You don't wanna go right here and pry real hard because you can damage the remote. But since it's already opened, now you can slide the screwdriver in and just gently lift and take this cover off. That exposes the battery, all right? So if we look right here, you can see the size. You can see this positive sign here. The size is a CR2032 battery. I am going to leave a link down in the description box below where you can pick up a battery from Amazon if you need one. They're like $2 for an Energizer battery, so check that out if you need one. But to remove this guy, there's a slot here at the top. You're going to need the small flathead screwdriver. Put it in here and just pry it out the best you can, okay? It likes to fall out, so be careful if you're doing it in the car. And here's the battery. So if you have your new one, it slides into the bottom first. There's some contacts down there it needs to go on top of, and that's it. Then you get the cover, put the cover back on, start at the top when you go to put it back on, okay? Work your way down. You can hear it click and pop. All right, and then you put your emergency key back in and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was quick and straightforward. If you thought it was, I'd really like it if you could leave a comment, or appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me. I'd really appreciate it. Hope to see you guys in another Chrysler video.